Hey guys, my name is Jose Original, and this is just a update for the computer that I'm building. I have 3 parts. Look at that. I got an MSI H110M Pro VH motherboard. I have a Pentium g4560 processor. I have a GTX 1050 Ti Mini, the Exotic version. And this is my old case that I'm using. I remove all the parts except the hard drive, I mean the CD drive and the hard drive, because there's some files here and I can use the hard drive. Plus right here I can't remove the screws. I don't know why, but I did everything to remove it, but I can't. So next week I'm gonna buy a new case. The case that I want is the case that you can see inside the Windows case. This is an incomplete build. I don't have a PSU. I'm gonna buy a Seasonic S12-2 550 watts PSU, a 8 gig RAM DDR4 RAM, because the MSI doesn't support DDR3, only support DDR4, and a 1 terabyte hard drive, and 250 gig SSD. I am in 150 gig because I don't have any money. I'm just a poor kid. So there you go. That will be updated next week, maybe, as long as I buy parts. And feel to comment and suggest some parts that I can use. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Stay awesome, guys!